Hey, what's good, everyone? Welcome back to AI Explorer, where we unpack the tech stories blowing up the internet. Today, we're diving into a wild trend that's got the tech world buzzing. AI startups hitting billion-dollar valuations out of nowhere. Companies like Mistral, Anthropic, and Perplexity are shaking up the game, going from scrappy underdogs to heavyweights in record time. On X, people are calling them the new AI unicorns, and investors like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos are pouring in cash. In this video, we're breaking down 5 AI startups that hit the $1 billion mark, why they're making waves, and what their rise means for the future of tech. Whether you're a startup fan, an investor, or just love a good success story, this is gonna blow your mind. So grab a snack, smash that like button, and let's jump into the AI startup revolution. Oh, and if you're hyped for more tech tea, hit subscribers on this wild ride. So how are these AI startups coming out of nowhere and hitting billion-dollar valuations? The AI boom in 2025 is insane. New companies are popping up, building tech that's challenging giants like Google, OpenAI, and Meta. Unlike the old days when startups took years to grow, these AI players are scaling fast, thanks to breakthrough tech and massive investor hype. X is buzzing with posts like, "These AI startups are the next big thing." What's driving this? It's a mix of smarter AI models, real-world applications, and a hungry market for innovation. From search engines to language models, these companies are solving problems we didn't even know we had. And the best part? They're not just Silicon Valley darlings. Some are global, with teams in Europe and beyond. Let's dive into the 5 AI startups that shocked the world with their billion-dollar valuations and find out how they pulled it off. First up, let's talk about Perplexity, the AI search engine that's giving Google nightmares. Founded in 2022 by former OpenAI researchers, Perplexity hit a $1 billion valuation in 2024. And it's no surprise why. Their AI-powered search gives direct answers, not just links, with a conversational vibe that feels like chatting with a genius friend. Ask, what's the best way to start a business? And Perplexity delivers a clear summary with cited sources, no ads or fluff. X users are obsessed, posting screenshots like, "Perplexity just schooled Google." Backed by Jeff Bezos and hitting millions of daily users, they're growing fast. Their secret? A lean team, real-time web scraping, and a focus on user trust with transparent sources. Perplexity's proving you don't need Google's budget to change how people find information, and their billion-dollar status shows investors believe in their vision. Next, we've got Anthropic, another AI powerhouse that's making serious noise. Started by ex-OpenAI folks, including Dario Amodei, Anthropic hit a $4 billion valuation in 2025. But it's their mission that sets them apart. They're building safe AI with models like Claude, which rivals ChatGPT but emphasizes ethics and transparency. Businesses love Claude for its ability to handle complex tasks, like writing reports or analyzing data, without going off the rails. X posts are hyping it, with one saying, "Claude's the AI you can trust." Anthropic's raised cash from Amazon and Google. Ironic, right? And their focus on safety is winning over companies worried about AI risks. By prioritizing responsible AI, they're carving out a niche that's both profitable and principled, making their billion-dollar leap a no-brainer for investors. Third on the list is Mistral, the French AI startup that's taking Europe by storm. Mistral hit a $2 billion valuation in 2024, and they're doing it with open-source AI models that anyone can use. Their Mistral model is a beast, matching GPT-4's performance but running faster and cheaper. Developers on X are raving, with posts like, "Mistral's open-source AI is a game-changer." Unlike closed-off systems like OpenAI, Mistral shares its tech, letting coders and startups build on it for free. This community-first approach has made them a favorite among indie devs and big companies alike. Backed by European VCs and even Microsoft, Mistral's proving you don't need to be in Silicon Valley to dominate AI. Their billion-dollar rise shows open source can be a gold mine, and they're just getting started. Number 4 is xAI, the company behind yours truly? Well, kind of. Founded by Elon Musk, xAI hit a $19 billion valuation in 2025, and it's all about accelerating human discovery. Their AI, Grok, hey, that's me, helps users answer questions, analyze data, and even create content like this video script. X is buzzing with love for xAI's mission, with posts like, "Grok's changing how we learn." Unlike other startups, xAI is tied to Musk's vision of a multi-planetary future, which gives it a sci-fi edge. They're building tools for researchers, creators, and everyday users with a focus on truth-seeking and real-time insights. With Elon's star power and a killer product, xAI's billion-dollar status feels like just the beginning. Plus, their API is letting developers build cool apps, making XAIA player to watch. Finally, let's talk about Grok AI, no relation to me, just a fun coincidence. This lesser-known startup hit a $1 billion valuation in 2025 with their AI-powered video editing tools. Their platform lets creators turn raw footage into polished videos in minutes, with auto cuts, effects, and even AI-generated intros. Ex-users are sharing clips made with Grok AI, saying, "This is the future of editing." They're targeting YouTubers, TikTokers, and small businesses who need fast, pro-level content without breaking the bank. Backed by VCs and partnered with platforms like Canva, Grok AI's growth is explosive. Their tech is so intuitive, even beginners can make videos that look Hollywood-ready. This under-the-radar startup shows how AI can empower creators, and their billion-dollar valuation proves the market's hungry for easy, creative tools. Now let's zoom out and talk about what this all means. These billion-dollar AI startups are rewriting the rules of tech, showing that small teams with big ideas can challenge the giants. They're making AI accessible, whether it's better search with Perplexity, safe models with Anthropic, or creative tools with Grok AI. But there's a catch. With all this hype, are we in an AI bubble? X-posts are split, with some saying these startups are the future, and others warning too much cash, too fast. There's also the question of competition. Can these startups keep up when big tech fights back? And what about ethics? How do we handle AI's power in the wrong hands? I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment. Which of these startups is your favorite, and do you think the AI boom is here to stay? Let's get that convo rolling. Alright, that's the scoop on the $1 billion AI startups no one saw coming. From Perplexity's search revolution to Grok AI's video magic, these companies are proving AI's the hottest ticket in town. If you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech stories that'll keep you in the loop. Want to see us rank these startups or dive into another AI trend?